Alright, what's up guys? Good morning. Alright, oh shit. Alright, what's up guys? Morning. Well, at least for me it's morning. I don't know, whatever time you're watching this. What's up? How's it going? So, we got another part for the Supra. It's not any part that's gonna make it run. It's more of an aesthetic look. It's more of an aesthetic. Let's put it that way. Yeah, so with the 1J, these run off a map sensor. So I've been told by Kaizen Motorsports that the map sensor can't read any other signal other than what the turbo pulls, or else it starts getting like sporadic readings and starts tripping out and all this shit, blah blah blah, right? So I am going to be running E-fans. I don't have them set up at the moment. So fans are gonna sit in here, obviously. So I want to try to block this from any air that the E-fans could blow. So this is already like closed up into its little corner as it is, but you know, right now it's just sitting a little loose. You know, vibrations will cause it to, you know, move around, hit the pipe right there on the T-bolt clamps, and you know, over here, and I don't want it to be just bouncing around. So I have this bracket here from the stock airbox, and it has threads. So what I'm gonna do is try to see if I could get one of those mounting ties that we had used for the wiring harness in the previous video, and try to see if I can mount them from here to hold the air filter up and just, you know, have it more solid. Alright, so I'm gonna try that, and also put on a shield that I bought, you know, to block any, you know, random air to flow in. And this is the shield. It's a Star Performance. You know, I found this on Amazon. You know, it was pricey for what it is. Claims to be real carbon fiber. I'm not sure if it's real carbon, but you know, it looks nice. So I'll throw it on, and it's gonna sit something like that. So you'll still be able to see the intake filter, but you know, you have that little carbon piece right there blocking off from any like air that could, you know, be blown into it, potentially causing the map sensor to trip out and get random readings. So, you know, it's gonna be a pretty simple install. All I really gotta do is pull off the hose clamp, or this little clamp right here. Just loosen it up, wiggle it through, strap it down, and just get a zip tie. You know, clip it in there, tie this up. Pretty much a solid mount. So let's get started with it. So first off, we're gonna have to take this off. So we have to go get a flathead so we could just start unscrewing it. And while we're there, get the mounting tie and something to cut off the excess zip tie. Alright, so we got these, but these are too long. Try to get the shorter one. Guess this one. Mounting tie. And just something to put the excess. We got the flathead, so we're gonna start unscrewing the filter. Alright, so we got this unscrewed. Now we'll take the shield and slip it in. 1, 2, and last one. Alright, so now we'll loosen this up just a little bit more so we can slip it right back onto the coupler. There we go, that should be good enough. Alright. Alright, so before I go ahead and tighten the clamp back down, I'm gonna take my mounting tie. Now, try to see if I can clip it in. Alright, so it didn't just clip in. So what I'm doing, since it is plastic, I'm able to thread it, I guess, using the threads that I already has. You know, put a little bit of pressure, push it up in there, and just start spinning it until, you know, it grabs all the way through. It's there. I guess I'll just go just one more turn because it is going to be a little bit harder than I thought. I think it would have probably just been easier if I got a drill and drilled out the little threads and just pushed it through, but I don't want to do that right now. Alright, so I got that where I want it. Alright, so now, as you guys can see, zip tie is on. Pretty solid. If I pull down, it's not going anywhere. Let me move that strap. As you guys can see, if I pull down, it's not going anywhere. So now we're gonna fish this through one of the, you know, little honeycomb loops. Let's see. I guess we're gonna put it just like that. Oh, not just like that. Let me see. Let me try this with my. Alright, so we got it. We got it through. Now, I'll just feed it through the other side. Alright, there we go. Now, we start pulling it. There, you'll see it start coming up. It is hard to do with one hand. Alright, so there we go. A little bit more solid. So now, one more time, go back to tighten this down. Alright, there we go. Now it's all solid. It's not gonna move anywhere. And it looks pretty cool. You have the combination of HKS, super high flow filter with the Colio Star Performance intake filter. It really ties in nicely. Gives it kind of like that stock, but like aftermarket look. I don't really know what I'm saying, but I like it. And then since this is carbon fiber, and I'm gonna have the carbon fiber plate here, a little bit of carbon fiber action going on in the engine bay with a little cheapy catch can with carbon fiber wrap that I did a while back. So yeah, I like it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys like this little quick video, give me a like or a comment, whatever you guys like. Feel free to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff, so you guys can be up to date with the build. Yeah, that pretty much concludes this install. It was just a little quick install video, so hope you guys like it. Like I said, subscribe to the channel for free. This content I make for all you guys to share my passion, so I hope you guys enjoy.